This is the BabyBub Maternity pillow. This is what it looks like when it comes out of its shipping container. They've, thrown it in the Ziploc to kind of help compress the memory foam. So, looks a little janky, but it is. My wife saw this on social media and we've had some problems with it. I mean, first off, the pillow is not firm at all and it doesn't hold you. I'll show you a little bit of that. But then also, just so that you're aware, they do have like a 90-day free trial. Of course, I've tried to return the pillow and the company has been pretty sketchy so far. It's been over a week and they just haven't given me the return label or told me where to send it back to. Paying for shipping is one thing to return it back, but they just haven't responded appropriately so far. So here's what you get. So here's the Velcro piece right here. It's only on one side. So the idea is that, you're supposed to put your body in between this and kind of adjust it, but you're just going to roll over this. It's just not firm. Look at this, it goes practically flat on both sides. Welcome to my bed. Obviously I'm not a pregnant lady, but just wanted to go ahead and show you the magic of this pillow. Ready? I'm using it right now. I'm sandwiched in between. And then I roll back. And now I'm on my back. Right? So it didn't really hold me up at all. There was no effort. I'm going very slowly. No force here. So it's just not holding you up. It doesn't make sense. Now, there is this guy that you can kind of sandwich in between your back and the pillow. Same exact problem. See? You just roll all around if you wanted to. What's the point, Here's another angle of the magic right here. Got it all sandwiched. And I just roll on over. I mean, you're literally better off tucking two pillows behind your back. See, I'm trying to get it to go. And then put a little pillow right in front of you if you wanted support there. But I can't twist now, So I'm good to go with just a normal pillow. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope I saved you some time and hassle. One day, hopefully they'll refund me. I think so. We'll see. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Smack a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.